Hey guys, OnePlus has announced that it will be launching its OnePlus TV next month, September 2019. The company also announced that the TV will be first announced in India and later in other countries. The CEO of OnePlus explained that the reason the OnePlus TV will be releasing first in India is because the company has a great relations with the content providers in the country. For OnePlus and for televisions in general, content is the most important aspect. They wanted to focus on getting it right, which is why they wanted to start off with a single country before moving on to the other markets. As for the other markets, the CEO mentioned that they will be bringing the OnePlus TV to North America, Europe and China at a later unspecified date, but when they have strong content partners in those regions. The important informations that you need to know about OnePlus TV are: OnePlus TV to have a screen resolution ranging from Full HD to Quad HD. OnePlus TVs may take on Xiaomi Mi TVs in terms of pricing. That OnePlus may launch TVs under $700 or 50,000 Indian rupees. OnePlus TV is likely to have an UI built on Google's Android TV platform. OnePlus has confirmed that its TV will have voice control and an integrated camera. Since OnePlus TV is set to use Android UI, it may also bring Google Assistant voice control on board for easy navigation. The company's first TV will also have an integrated camera which can be used for video calling on a big screen. The key highlights of OnePlus TV is likely to be its design, which will be unique. All models will support Bluetooth version 5.0. So these are the important information that you must know about OnePlus TV. The upcoming OnePlus TV, which is like its smartphone, may create a huge hype in the market. So let's hope OnePlus will launch a better TV at better price. So this is all about the OnePlus TV. What do you feel about the OnePlus TV or upcoming electronic products from OnePlus? Please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.